Short round tip with no trace. The fake short oval nails as jelly soft tips and will make no trace even bend. Strong tenacity more easily press, trim, paint shape false nails to make your dream nails shaped. Real DIY manicure gel nail tips. Professional short round shape tips. Great extension short oval fake tips show a highly fit nails with high quality innovate material. Soft jelly tips can be used with nail polish, dip powder, acrylic powder. Easily make salon nail effect instead of dropping money at expensive salon. Keep the color good without separation or exposure, look more naturally. Easy to use, super thin with matte no need apply base coat gel. Our smooth edge of tips have a more shallow curve, convenient to press on nails beds tightly, without feeling uncomfortable tightness. The thinner nail bed can hold nails easily not easy deformation and the hard nail front not easy break, well as a press on nails base tips. 15 sizes tips fit your nails. Out short coffin press on nails contain 15 sizes with size number on the top of the tips can easy pick proper tips for your nail. And 3 extra size 8.5 9.5 10.5 can suit bigger or smaller nails, in case 12 size cannot fit few of your nails. Increase the use ratio of whole box of nail tips. Long-lasting 21 days plus. The soft short oval tips can last more than 3 weeks according to the right using process, no smell and no harm to your nail. Double sizes matte tips no need file can hold on your nails great and easy to hold the color gel or other color nail art. Enjoy nail fun with your friend and family. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite nail tips. First off, let me start with wow, these nails are my new favorite. I love that they are etched, which ensures the length of the wear. They are pre-shaped, which is great if you are in a hurry. The length of the nails themselves is perfect.